I got his hands. Hey, slow down. I got his hands. Grab it.
Los Angeles, California, April 26, 2024. At 11:45 a.m. chaos erupted on East Avenue 36 when 24-year-old John Lopez shot a family member during a heated argument and fled the scene. The city was on high alert. Within minutes, an air unit spotted Lopez speeding south on the 5 freeway on a bicycle. Patrol units coordinated a high-stakes traffic break following Lopez as he weaved through lanes, determined to escape.
Roger, at the scene. Was there any casings or a victim?
11:42 A1, roger that. There was a victim hit and there were casings recovered.
Que se canse.
Yeah, he's getting tired, man. He's gotta gas out.
Southbound Bailey from Mission, and he's got suspicion units. Southbound Bailey from Mission, suspicion units. Any unit representative, voice on air, requesting a backup air unit supervisor, daily MRNO for shooting suspect. Southbound Bailey from Mission, and he's got suspicion units.
Hit him with the door.
Southbound Bailey from Mission, suspicion units.
He's a shooting system.
Hold on. I got his hands. Hey, slow down. I got his hands. Grab it. We're good. Take it out.
In a dramatic turn, Lopez exited at Mission Road, darting through traffic recklessly. The chase reached climax on Daly Street, where a Hollenbeck officer struck Lopez with his vehicle, sending him sprawling onto the road. Captured without further incident, Lopez was treated for minor injuries before being booked for attempted murder. The shooting victim, though injured, survived. Miraculously, no officers or bystanders were harmed. A small caliber firearm was seized at the scene, marking the end of a tense and thrilling pursuit through Los Angeles. The quiet afternoon at a gas station on Fairbanks Ferry Road was abruptly shattered. Trooper Awesome, stationed at the intersection, watched as Trooper S. Reitenauer initiated a traffic stop on a gray Nissan. The scene seemed routine until the driver suddenly sped away, igniting a high-speed chase. Trooper Awesome sprang into action, overtaking the fleeing vehicle and setting up for a pit maneuver. With precision, he executed the maneuver, causing the Nissan to spin out of control, crash into a ditch, and flip before coming to rest. Weapons drawn, Troopers Awesome and Reitenauer approached the overturned vehicle. With adrenaline pumping, they pulled the suspect, identified as Mr. Cedric Ricardo Fable, from the car. Handcuffed and subdued, Fable was placed in the patrol vehicle. The strong odor of marijuana led to a search, revealing a bag of marijuana weighing 7 grams. The substance tested positive for marijuana but negative for hemp. Fable, wanted on a felony warrant, was transported to a medical center for evaluation before being booked into the Gadsden County Jail on multiple charges, including fleeing, possession of marijuana, and drug paraphernalia. This high-stakes pursuit ended with the suspect in custody and the officers unharmed. A routine patrol turned into a high-octane pursuit when troopers Zagat and Thomas were alerted about a stolen white Toyota Prius speeding north on Interstate 95. The Broward County Sheriff's Aviation Unit was tracking the vehicle, and Florida Highway Patrol was called for assistance. Trooper Zimmerman first spotted the vehicle near Hypaluxo Road. As he passed Trooper Zagat, both activated their lights and sirens, engaging in a tense chase. The suspect, Jonathan David McCreed, attempted to evade capture by speeding up and making sharp maneuvers.
Get out with the blunt. Get out with the blunt.
Do you have the vehicle there?
Get your hands up! Get hands up now! Open the door! Open the door now! Open the door! Get out! Get out!
The troopers tried multiple pit maneuvers to stop the car, with Trooper Zimmerman finally disabling the vehicle on his third attempt. The suspect was apprehended after a high-stakes felony stop. Identified by his Florida ID, McCreed was arrested at 3:16 a.m. He faced several charges, including fleeing law enforcement, driving without a license, and grand theft auto. The dangerous pursuit ended with no injuries, bringing a swift end to the chaos on Interstate 95.
They're moving! Get in there. I don't know how to get in there. Stand here for me. Do you have a driver's license? Yeah. And the reason I'm asking, okay, we need to know in case there's somebody that needs medical attention that's laying out here dying in these woods. Tell me right now, who are they, what they look like, so we can try to find them and help if they need it.
Okay, he's dark-skinned, tall, with braids that's going back.
In Okaloosa County, Florida, a 23-year-old Pensacola man, Isaiah Durham, was arrested after a high-speed chase and collisions with Florida Highway Patrol vehicles. Troopers noticed Durham's reckless driving on Highway 90 near Valley Road. When they attempted a traffic stop, Durham sped away, leading officers on a chase through Crestview. During the pursuit, Durham intentionally collided with two FHP vehicles.
Well, I had them still to maintain, keeping in and out, and then wide right turn. Back on 90. Back down 90, out of it.
The chase ended when law enforcement executed a pit maneuver at Lindbergh Street and West 1st Avenue. Durham was arrested on multiple charges, including reckless driving, fleeing, aggravated battery, possession of marijuana and paraphernalia, and driving with a suspended license. His passenger was cited for not wearing a seatbelt and released. Durham remains in Okaloosa County Jail without bond.
On the phone, he says he's going to come here and start some trouble. Who is he?
I don't know.
If he comes here and interjects himself, he's going to jail too. He going to have a weapon on him? What's his deal?
You gotta tell him that. No, he ain't gonna
You
have
tell
no
me.
weapon.
Okay?
He is not gonna have no weapon.
Okay.
Thank you for watching our thrilling coverage of police chases and criminal pursuits. It's a stark reminder of the bravery and dedication law enforcement officers show every day to keep our communities safe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.